I think you touched on a really interesting point, which in the industry is colloquially known as data mad cow disease, where if you're just kind of like eating existing data that you've already trained on and there's like little permutations, it kind of ends out suboptimally. And so the solution to that is actually more human, ironically almost, because everyone thinks these humans are just getting completely replaced and disintermediated by AI. But it turns out humans are the solution to A, produce new data, B, to structure that data. That's a huge problem now, is like taking all this raw data and structuring it. We use the analogy of like oil or another commodity that starts out as a raw good, like crude oil, that you can't really use until you refine it. And then once you do that, you can put it in your car's gasoline. Same with data. And so humans are actually really good at structuring like very specific verticalized types of data that machines aren't good at yet. So to defeat mad cow disease of this data, where you have synthetic agents kind of producing new data and then kind of like not creating high quality data sets, you have humans kind of come in as referees, and they're better at making sure this is like optimal data that comes out the other end, and it's not garbage in, garbage out. And it's kind of just it's kind of intuitive and obvious because we're the ones that are the end users of this. We're the ones who are creating all types of different modality types of data, text, image, video. And so why shouldn't we be like deeply involved in the creation and structuring of this data for these models?